Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authorize Airtable as a connector for data science notebooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Airtable website. Sign in to your Airtable account. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once logged in, locate the base you want to connect to your data science notebook. Click on the base to open it. In the top right corner, find the Share button and click on it. In the sharing dialog, look for the Create a Shared Link option. Enable the shared link for the base by clicking the toggle switch. Copy the generated URL. Now, open your data science notebook. In your notebook, ensure you have the necessary libraries installed. You may need libraries such as pandas and requests. Use the command pip install pandas requests to install them if you haven't already. With your libraries ready, create a new Python cell in your notebook. Begin by importing the required libraries using import pandas as PD and import requests. Next, define a variable to store the Airtable URL you copied earlier. To connect to Airtable, use the API key you received when setting up your account. You can retrieve your API key from your Airtable account settings. Now create a header for your request, including your API key. Define the request parameters, such as the base ID and table name. Construct the API request URL using the base ID, table name, and any query options you'd like to specify. Use the requests.get function to send a request to Airtable. Pass in the API URL and the headers you created. Store the response in a variable for further processing. Check the response status code to ensure your request was successful. If the status code is 200, proceed to convert the response data into a pandas data frame. Use pd.json_normalize to flatten the JSON data and create the data frame. Now you can manipulate and analyze the data as needed in your notebook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.